What up, pimps? It's your boy, Big Money Dropshipper Zach here with another fire mixtape of a video. And if you guys can go ahead and smash that like button, smash that bad boy 3 times, get 3 likes on this video, I'm gonna hit the world's biggest vape hit in my next video, I swear to God. Actually, this boy is calling my name right now, so I'm gonna hit it anyway. Oh shit, it's out of juice. Yeah, this vape was out of juice. That's okay, because I can just cop some more anyway, because I have made an absolute crap ton of money drop shipping, as I'm gonna show you. As you can see, I am on my Shopify store right now, and in this month, I made $265,158.46. And as you can see, it's totally legitimate. I can highlight the text, I can mouse over the bars here. Look, 3,719 this day, $24,513 this day. I dropped down to only 7,000, you know, I can only buy a used Prius with that, but you know, it's whatever. Next day, went back up to 13,000, 5,000, you know, I tear it up. $269,000. I have $4,000 in returns, but whatever, I'm making that mad money. And as you can see over here, it all adds up, 7,518 orders. I'm absolutely killing the game. So, as you can see, this is all the proof you need. I am killing it. I am making hundreds of thousands of dollars, which obviously means that I'm going to be spending my time uploading YouTube videos and selling a shitty course for a couple $1,000s. So just take my word for it. I am the absolute best. Listen to me and listen to everything I say like it's a religion. So in case you could not guess, this was a bit of a parody. And if this is your first introduction to the channel, I have to apologize because that was probably the worst thing I have ever done. And I hope I never have to do that again unless I want to bring back this character, which was honestly kind of fun to do. But no, in case you haven't guessed it, this video is not a bragging video. I did not actually make $265,000 in the month of August. That is absolutely insane. And the fact that I could fake it to this level of detail just shows that every single one of these huge, gigantic influencer guru posts for how much money they're making are most likely going to be fake. So yeah, while I can, I'm gonna go into the specifics right here. While I actually can mouse over these, I actually only edited the values for a few of the bars. Over here, it actually gets to the real numbers right here. Look, 37, 113. This is all entirely fake, and it was so easy to do. I did this in about 5 minutes just by simply right-clicking and going to inspect element. And look, this is all I have to do. So you saw that number, 265,000? I can change it. I can make it to $1,265,000. And boom, there we go. It's that easy. It's that easy to fake. I could just change these values to go $245,000 instead of $24,000. It is the easiest thing in the world, and you have no idea how many people are editing these things and only showing you these doctored screenshots or these doctored videos of them going over this stuff in order to get you guys to buy into what they're saying. I don't know how people have not learned since the days of Tai Lopez, when he was clearly renting out a bunch of these mansions and cars in order to get people to buy into his lifestyle, because obviously that's what everybody's doing. And now, yeah, Tai Lopez does actually live that life because he was extremely successful in getting people to buy into what he's saying because of the fact that he was, you know, living that fake, lavish lifestyle, and this is what everybody else is doing too. So in the info marketing world, obviously, optimally, good value should be the driving force behind a person's success. However, a lot of people do not have the knowledge and they do not have the skills to actually sell good information. So what they do is they pretend that they're successful, they make things like this, they doctor it, they come up with some bullshit, and they sell that. And then people buy into it, they're like, oh my god, you're the best, look at what you're doing, and you know, they just go up from there, and then eventually they don't have to pretend anymore because they've been selling their crap for months on end, and they're living at large now. Now, I have seen a bunch of fake videos and posts like this all over the place. There's this one video in particular, I'm going to show it right now, of this girl who said she made $50,000 in one day drop shipping. And first of all, definitely fake. And two, it's just, I saw how it was fake in the video. It's just clearly fake. She's giving no actual good, solid information. She says very basic stuff that a lot of people are saying, and this actually made me realize that that's what everybody is doing. So I was going around and finding a bunch of these smaller dropshipping guru channels, and you know, I'm one of them, so I'm throwing myself under the bus. I think I'm doing things a little bit differently, but go ahead and criticize me if you want. They're all throwing these wild numbers out there, right? Like how I made $20,000 my first week of dropshipping, how I made $50,000 in one day like that one girl. It's absolutely crazy. And not only can these screenshots be doctored, but all that they have to do is simply spew out some just generic information that they probably got from any of the big guys like Alex Becker, Dan DeSilva. Blast that bad boy out there, and then everybody just takes what they say because it makes sense, first of all, because it's just very basic information. Of course it's gonna make sense. And then they back it up with stuff like this, or they just say that they do it and don't actually provide any proof of it, and people just ride along with it. Think about it. If someone is making $50,000 in a day, or even $50,000 a week, why in the world would they spend their time making YouTube videos and selling courses when they're making an exorbitant amount of money, like millionaire status? They should be on Forbes 30 under 30 or 20 under 20, whatever the list is. I think it's 30 under 30. But just why would they do that? It doesn't make sense, and they're obviously living the facade. It's scary, it really is, and I hope you guys watch out for yourselves. In a world where everybody is trying to prey on you, you need to be sure that you are giving your money to the best people. Okay, and this isn't like, hey, give me your money instead. No, I'm telling you to look out legitimately. If you want to give me your money for whatever I'm doing, then go ahead, that's your choice. But when you are giving your money to these people, make sure that you're actually getting it from a legitimate source. Okay, people see being a guru as a get-rich-quick scheme. They can just fake their way to the top because it's been done before and it's currently being done. I see a bunch of channels just boosting their way up by doing these exorbitant income reports that are obviously fake, and they have no idea what they're saying. Like, I had this one guy, I just saw a video on him. He was like, hey guys, how's it going? I've been dropshipping for about 3 months now, and yeah, here's my expert opinion on things. And it's terrible. Like, I go through everybody's videos and they're all saying the same generic crap. There's nothing new, there's nothing actually helpful in there. They're just saying how to dropship. Like, some of the videos, half of them are just talking about using Shopify to dropship. They're like, oh yeah, Shopify is the platform I use. It's a pretty good platform. There's some free themes, there's some paid themes. It's ridiculous. This is more of a rant video over anything, isn't it? I don't know. It needed to be said because after I found that one fake video today, and after I played around with this more, I just realized that so many people are getting fooled by this and potentially just ruined and wasting a bunch of their time and money listening to these people that don't actually have any kind of authority for teaching other people. I don't know. It pains me every time I see one of these channels. I know you'll be safe out there. I know you'll be critical. I know you will think critically and actually question things that are thrown at you, not just taking them blindly. There are some very good sources for information out there aside from my channel because, you know, it's my channel. I'm gonna be a little bit biased here. There's a bunch of other good sources out there, but there's definitely more crap sources out there. So, your takeaway from this video, okay? I'm gonna get real close and personal. Pay very close attention to the type of people that you're getting your information from. Don't just give your money to anybody. I'm gonna say this now, if my content doesn't vibe with you, don't waste your time watching my videos. You have to really think that someone is legitimate and really put their words into action and see if they're good, and then go on from there. And also, dropshipping is a very personal business, and what I mean by that is it just takes a lot of personal trial and error to really get your business going. It took me several months of trial and error just by myself. I didn't watch anybody, I didn't listen to anybody, and I got there. I made this YouTube channel to condense everything that I learned into very easily digestible videos that I wish I had learned when starting. That's why I made this channel, to help a bunch of people out in that way. But, you know, just know you can't watch a video and expect to get anywhere. You actually need to put things into practice. I don't even know what this video was. Was it a motivational piece? Was it an exposed piece? Am I trying to start some YouTube drama, Keemstar V2 type crap? I don't know, but this is my video. This is how obviously faked these things are. So be careful out there, guys. Have fun drop shipping. That's the most important part. Enjoy your business and good luck. So if you actually want to get into drop shipping and have not started yet, there's a link down in the description for a free 14-day trial. If you have enjoyed what I said and how I said it, hit that subscribe button down below, and additionally check out those videos over there. They're very important, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.